Hi, in this video I'll show you how to use our e-learning platform. After you enter the address elearning.bicero.com, you need to log in. Enter your username and password. And you will see the dashboard of our e-learning. On the upper part of the e-learning portal, you can see and track your progress. For example, you can see your number of courses, you can see your training time, number of badges, points. On the bottom side of the e-learning portal, you see all the courses you are enrolled into. On the right side, you can see the menu with the details about your progress and also the course catalog. You can check your progress and update your profile. For example, if you want to set your profile picture, you click the progress and then the profile, and you can upload your own profile picture. You can also check the progress, your activity, the lessons you already completed, certifications you already obtained, badges, and the timeline. Now we go back and we will enter the course. To enter the course, just click on the course picture. You can also see your progress and the expiration date here. And now we entered the course. If you haven't already entered the course, you click Start the course. If you already use the course, just click Resume the course. And on this page you can see all the lessons within the course. Now we will resume the course. And I already see the lesson within the course. I can access all the lessons and jump to any lesson I want from the menu. And I will go to the first lesson to show you how to complete the lessons and progress through the course. You can progress through the course by reading the texts, and then at the bottom of each lesson you will see a button Complete and Continue. And after reading the text, you just click Complete and Continue, and you will progress to the next lesson. Some lessons require that you solve a simple question or quiz to progress. Here is the example of the lesson that you need to solve a short quiz to progress. So after the reading of the learning material, you solve the quiz, and after you correctly answer the question, you can progress to the next lesson. If you have any questions or you need help, you can access the help by sending message to the instructor. Just click on the More button and send message to instructor. You can also download PDFs of the course by selecting Files menu and then just select the PDF you want to download and store to your computer. Just click Download and the material will be stored to your computer. So after you complete all the lessons, the course is completed.